Be ready 5 seconds. Start. The essential ingredients of a valid attestation are that there must be 2 or more witnesses in all cases where a document is required by the Act to be attested. Each witness must have signed either after seeing the executant sign or affix his thumb mark to the instrument or seeing some other person signing the instrument in the presence and by the direction of the executant or receiving personal acknowledgement of his signature or mark or of the signature of such other person from the executant. Each of the 2 attesting witnesses must have signed the instrument in the presence of the executant. Conditional transfer is given in Section 25. According to Section 25, an interest created on a transfer of property and dependent upon a condition fails if the fulfillment of the condition is impossible or is forbidden by law or is of such a nature that if it is permitted, it would defeat the provisions of any law or is fraudulent or involves or implies injury to the person or property of another or the court regards it as immoral or opposed to public policy. Ram gives 500 rupees to Mohan on condition that he shall marry his daughter Mary. At the date of the transfer, Mary was dead. The transfer is void as fulfillment of the condition is impossible. Transfer of a right to collect sand for 1 year from the riverbed is immovable property because it amounts to profit a person. This sand also includes the future sand which will be deposited in the riverbed. A right to pluck or collect leaves for a period of 10 years from a forest is an immovable property because the leaves will continue to derive nutrition from the soil over a period of 10 years. A person who has no title or interest in an immovable property, he cannot transfer that property. If he does so, the transfer is by an unauthorized person. Section 43 provides that if a person having no authority to transfer an immovable property, then he is estopped from denying the transfer when he acquires such authority. If a person promises more than he can perform, then he must fulfill the promise when he gets ability to do so. If he never gets the authority to transfer, then this would not apply. A transfer made with intent to delay or defeat the creditors of the transferor is called a fraudulent transfer. Stop.